These boots by Fly London feature a leather upper with a round toe silhouette and a zipper closure on the inside for easy on and off. They have some stitching and overlay details to give you a bold and sleek design so you can walk with confidence. Inside, there is a leather lining that has a removable footbed that is lightly padded and contoured to keep you comfortable all day, and there's perforations for breathability. The midsole adds contrast with its matte finish, and they have a sturdy and durable build. You'll also get a small lift from the platform. It's all on top of a durable synthetic outsole that has a grippy logo tread for traction. Wear these with your favorite pair of denim.